corporate misfit, you might have been struggling to really grow your email list and you're getting a little frustrated because you're not seeing the results that you want. Well, today I want to talk about how you can have a positive mindset when it comes to building your email list and how it can help you to get out of your own way and eventually grow. So let's go ahead and dive right into how you can have a powerful and positive mindset when it comes to your email list so that you can truly embrace it and also grow at the same time. Hey there, Corporate Misfits, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise and also creating automation. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I have a special guide for you that will help you to create your digital product, also improve your digital product, and also walk you through the steps on how you can start generating revenue from it now. Now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos, and also hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Now let's talk all about changing your mindset when it comes to your email list, because in the very beginning stages, it can be really frustrating trying to grow your email list. I know for myself, when I was putting in a ton of work creating freebies, trying to market my freebies, and only one or two people would join every once in a while, I was like, what the heck am I doing wrong? Trying to figure it out. Now, there are so many other aspects that go into growing your email list, but one thing I know for sure is that when you are growing your email list, it's important to have the right mindset. You want to have a positive outlook on growing your email list, because one thing I know for sure is that people are building their trust in you and you are providing value to them. And so it's really important for you to not take that lightly and get excited about that, because people are coming into your community, they're looking to work with you or connect with you, and we need to change our approach and our way of thinking when it comes to our email list. So the first thing I want to dive into, if you have been trying to wrap your head around your email list, you've been frustrated, the first thing I want you to do is just to focus on celebrating every win. So whenever you have maybe 5 or 1 or even 10, whatever it may be, whenever you have people join your email list, I want you to celebrate that. I want you to just say, good job, I'm proud of you, you are doing an excellent job, you are going in the right direction. I want you to get excited about that, because so many people just take their email list for granted. They're like, oh, I have an email list, people join, great, awesome. But I look at an email list as a way to really connect with my audience. I look at an email list as a way for me to be able to provide value and serve my audience. And I'm really grateful that my audience trusts me to be in their inbox. So I want you to take a step back if you're feeling frustrated that you're not getting to the number or the goal that you might want to. And I want you to just be grateful for the people you do currently have on your email list. Now, the second thing that you can do to really change your mindset is ask yourself, are you truly providing value for someone to be on your email list? Are you sitting down, taking time to see if your customers are going to see some sort of transformation if they were to opt into your email list? What do they gain from this? How can you truly provide a valuable experience that will help to transform where they're currently at? No matter if they ever decide to buy from you or not, how can you provide value that is going to move them one step closer to the goal of transformation? Now, the next thing is creating consistency. Whenever you create consistency within your business, especially when it comes to your email list, it will allow you to see things differently. When you're inconsistent and you're not really seeing people signing up, or you're not getting that level of subscribers that you wanted to your email list, you start to get frustrated. But when you're consistent, you will start to notice that people are joining your email list, that it might be 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 or 100 people, but ultimately they're going to start trickling in. So it's important for you to stay consistent and remind yourself, I am going in the right direction of where I want to go with my email list by staying consistent and by putting myself out there. It's important for you to think that way, so that then when it comes to your email list and you're looking at the results, you're not frustrated. Instead, you're just excited excited and you're grateful for the people that are there, and you are excited to connect with more people along the way. Now, another way for you to change your mindset when it comes to your email list and to really stay positive is to know that the people who aren't joining your email list might not be a great fit, but the ones who are more in alignment with your ideal customer. So I like to thank the people who don't join my email list, so I don't have all these unsubscribes or have to deal with cleaning out my email list every once in a while if they're not opening it. Instead, I get excited for the people who are wanting to learn about this particular content and how can I continue to serve them, again, providing value so that then whenever they are looking for a resource, they come to me to look for that result and look for the answers. So I want you to think in that mindset of it's okay if people don't join your email list. It actually might be for the better if they aren't your ideal customers. Last but not least, don't be afraid to use social proof in your business. Now, this is a great way for you to show off the results of your ideal customers, show the transformation that they have had. And whenever you are showing social proof, it really helps your audience to say, wow, this person is trusted, this person is a leader in the industry, and this person is helping people get results, and I want that too. So when you start to shift your mindset around your email list and you start to find different ways to get creative to share with your audience ways that you can help them to see the transformation, then you'll start to see your email list grow. So you can share testimonials, you can share case studies, you can share maybe just a comment that you received from someone about your product, whatever it may be. Don't be afraid to share social proof that will help you to not only grow your email list, but also to show that you are a trusted individual in your industry. So there you have it, corporate misfits. If you have been feeling really down and out about your email list and you've been overwhelmed and frustrated, I want you to take a step back. I want you to shift your mindset so that you can really create some positivity around the email list that you are building. I want you to be excited about every single person that signs up. I want you to create consistency that will help you to consistently generate new subscribers. And I also want you to just make sure that you're providing so much value that makes someone say, you know what, this is my go-to place for this specific topic. And last but not least, don't be afraid to share the results that people are getting. Show the transformation. Help your audience be able to see where they can go if they are able to stick to the roadmap and the journey of the transformation. Okay, corporate misfits, there you have it. And also, don't forget to download the free guide that I have for you to help you to build digital products in your business and also start generating some revenue from it. Also, hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. I'll see you soon. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.